basically, there's a lot of us that have a lot of experience. Me, over 30 years of experience in dry material handling, and we rely on that in making a good product. Well, from the design meeting, we develop a detailed, what we call specification or functional specification that we present to the client. And then we review that with them. We see what their needs are. Will it work? Were there any problems? We try to anticipate any problems. And then from there, we sit down again the second time, once we have the design confirmed, and come up with the overall dimensions, utility requirements, and stuff like that. Well, then we go into, we're granted our purchase order. We celebrate. So after our celebrations, we get down to the nitty-gritty. We call it the nuts and bolts. And we start laying down the designs. We start looking at the data, what's required. I mean, we create our approval drawings, send our approval drawings out to the clients. We get them back, and then we start manufacturing. Well, manufacturing, we have a few stages. We have the pre-process and manufacturing. Then we go from pre-processing into fabrication and welding. And then we have our final assembly, automation, add the electronics to it, and then we go through a testing phase. We're always back and forth because automation, engineering, and electrical, mechanical are all tied together. And we still interface with sales. A lot of the decisions we make after the sales affects future sales, cost, delivery, scheduling. Usually what happens, we're there for the installation. So we meet the client, we meet the people who are going to operate the equipment. I'll meet the operators, I'll meet the supervisors, the managers, and we become associates, again, partnerships. Then after the installation and the startup, then we contact by phone back and forth. They call up if they have any problems. We may go back out to fine-tune or shine something, as I call it. Shine to make sure it's working the way they want it to work. I'm more or less, I like to say we partner with the client. We become partners in the project. We don't work for them, we work with them. And that's very important. That's what our spirit is here at Custom Powder Systems.
I'm Denise McIntosh, and this is Custom Powder Systems. And the next step in solving your problem is give us a call.